Hello everyone, welcome back to Nayab Garment. I'm your name, and today, we have something truly special for all the parents and little fashion enthusiasts out there. If you love adorable baby frocks that are as unique as your little ones, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into our latest collection of designer baby frocks that blend style, comfort, and quality. From pastel colors to bright patterns, we have something to suit every little personality. Look at these beautiful designs. Each frock is crafted with love, ensuring your baby not only looks adorable but feels comfortable too. Let's talk about what makes our frocks so special. We use high-quality fab.